Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry for the delayed update, but life happens, and I've been super busy at work. But hey, it's a good night. Couple party favors, and trying to get through this. Watching some Steve-O Wild Ride, but the update on this car. So, to be honest with you, I actually abandoned this and I did another one that I got because this one turned out to be a nightmare. This whole back assembly with everything, that's functional. But in terms of the instructions of what they are saying, it got lost. And I admit, the first night, I was gung-ho, that was cool. And then the last time I played with it, I had some drinks and I was kind of chilling. And I thought maybe I was a little fuzzy, so I put it down, went to bed. But it's not until it came to this part where you build basically the transmission part, which is here, and it's all working. Like, I got all the gears in there as it says, and then you mount it. So it's instruction wise. 71 tells you what you're doing, 72, and then drop down to 73, and then you go to 74, and then these little reverse icons here just means that you flip it or switch it to whatever. So then I went on to like all of this. I built these. I mean, I did every single thing that they said to do. I measured these, made sure I had the right ones, measured these, came through up to 77, put all this together, 78. But then these, I said, okay, no problem. I've got these. Like, look, I got a whole pile of these. I put all those in one box, these in a box, these in a box. I mean, I made this as organized as I possibly could. So it says, you drop these, on top, and then you reverse it, you flip it, put these on, do this. And then I did every single thing that they said I need to do. And guess what? It's just not working because these are different from what they're saying. This one's stationary now because they said to put this contraption on there. And now this one's open, and they're not even talking about putting a side on here to lock this down in order to put this piece on. And I've made two of these. I don't know where my other one is. I think I actually disassembled it out of frustration. But this is where Legos and Chinese parts get a little different. But good news is I'm going to figure this out. I'm going to put it to the side, and I built an entire another one. I did. And the one kit that I bought, I will show you because it was so much easier. It was like just bam, 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 bam. Every single instruction was good. For some reason, this one, this Cyan EKP 37 it just gets lost in translation. Now, while I didn't spend a lot of money on it, I'm not upset, but this is probably the worst one that I've done so far. And I'm not even, I mean, look how much more I have to go. This is page 16. I mean, I'm at 16 and there's 54 to go. So I'm sure once it gets to that point, it's going to be golden. But literally, the way that they have explained these specific areas, I mean, it's just not working. And I actually had somebody next to me and I said, tell me if I'm crazy. Does this work or not? And they said, no, that it does not convey clear instructions of where it's supposed to go, even though it tells you, like they put the arrows and say, go here, build this, up top, it tells you there, you got a 9-piece, and then you got the 7 wedge with the 2 connectors plus a 1 small connector, and then that and that, and then putting all that together, it just does not translate to where it's supposed to be. So this is as far as I was able to get with this top part, and for now I am putting this down before this literally goes in my garbage disposal, or worse, I don't know, set it on fire. I don't know what to do. But next video, which will be tomorrow or Sunday, I will show you the one that I actually did build, and tell you what, that one was a hell of a lot easier. I completed it, and it actually looks pretty good. So this kit though, I do not recommend for the price or the aggravation. So 1,280 plus pieces, cyan EKP 37, I would stay away, because this one is just not doing it. So I will put another update up soon. Thanks guys, bye.